Preparing the first layer for the banana pudding cake. Let's get started. Off to the second layer, filled with cream and bananas. Let's get started. In our second layer, we're going to begin with spreading the banana pudding filling all throughout the cake. Let's get started. Okay, and we're at our last final layer. We're going to end it with the banana pudding filling, bananas, and Cool Whip. Okay, we're going to keep building. We're on our third layer, and it's time to spread all this homemade Cool Whip all over it. We begin stacking these cookies all over the cake. I'll show you once we're finished. Oops. And there we have it, ladies and gentlemen, our 3-layer banana pudding cake. So creamy and delicious.